Again, living here, the most important things that we have been lacking within the Garifuna community in Los Angeles are identity, visibility, and representation. We are put in this generic box of being labeled Black or Afro-Latino, rather than being seen or addressed by our authentic Garifuna identity. When it comes to visibility, regardless of its participation within African American, Latino, Central American community, Belize, Caribbean, we are usually an afterthought for inclusion, except for during census. During the census, everybody wants us, because everybody wants their numbers. But the thing with the census is when everybody gets the funding, we're not thought of. None of those fundings get trickles down to the Garifuna community. But again, people are pulling us left and right. No, you're African American. No, you're Afro-Latino. You're one of us. But we've maintained our identity, and we can't rely on that. We could only be who we are, and we are Garifuna. Like I started at the beginning, Garifuna Nugia. I am Garifuna. But that didn't allow. I'm proud to be Garifuna, as you are all proud to be who you are. Whether you're African American, Chinese, whatever, you're proud of your heritage, and I'm proud of my heritage. So when you see me, know that I speak Garifuna. And when you see me, know that we are here. So one of the things that we did is we made sure in 2004, it's so long ago, that we proclaimed Garifuna Heritage Month here in the city of Los Angeles. So every month, every year in November is Garifuna Heritage Month, and we do different things throughout the communities. And we'll make sure that we send it to the different organizations to let you know what's going on. But November is a big month in our Garifuna community.